listen to this music.
Jen's Tasty Treats.
I created it for my cooking channel, yes. With a free tool, no sanction, no copyright violation on all platforms, YouTube, TikTok, or even Facebook. No single form of violation.
Soup, small chops too. Cooking joy just made for you.
So now that I've heard it, let me teach you how you can generate your own song with your own name, like whatever lyrics you want from the beginning to the end. I'll put you through on how to do it. All you have to do is to watch this very video from the beginning to the end without missing any part of it, so you don't make mistake along the line. Good news is a free tool. You can also use this to, create background music for your videos. Let's say just like this song. To do this, you can create the song by yourself without anybody coming after you tomorrow to say you are using his or her own sound. Okay, so let's continue while I show you the way to do this. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you're coming across my channel for the first time, this is where I teach you how to use some AI tools free of charge. You don't need to pay me anything, you don't need to do anything. All I need is to subscribe and turn on your notification so you know whenever I drop interesting videos like this. So my friends, let's go right into it. The first step is to open up your ChatGPT. If you don't have ChatGPT, do well to download this using either your Google Play Store or your App Store. Okay, download ChatGPT, sign in, and then give it this prompt. I'll be dropping this prompt in the comment section or description box. Do well to check it out. Okay, for the best, I suggest you type in as it is in your heart. Like I said here, I want to generate a song for my headstock video for YouTube and other platforms. Give me lyrics that will suit such videos. Do you understand? If you want to create a video for sports, say you want to create a video for sports, or you want to create a song for a sports video, do well to tell it the type of video you are making, so it will give you a suitable lyrics for it. I also told you that I'll be using Suno AI, and of course we're going to use Suno AI. My friends, as you can see, ChatGPT has given us the lyrics for our song. It has the chapter, verse 1, chorus, and all of that. It also suggested, because here I said I want to use it for my sports video or head talk video, whichever one you use. It will give you the generic to use according to what you want to use. And if that one is not okay by you, just as you can see, I said make it more easy to sing along lyrics. Okay, and hula, this is what we have. This lyrics is better. Yes, I chose this. Remember, it's an AI, is not human. So once you don't like the lyrics, go ahead and give it over and over until you get what you like. Next thing is to go over to your Chrome, open this website, suno.ai. Suno.ai. This is the interface you'll be seeing. And because I've already logged in, I've already created my own account, that is why it's showing me this. And if you have not, do well to log in, sign in with your email and all the other prompts that will be requested from you. Now head over to where you'll be seeing lyrics. Here you are asked to paste in your lyrics. Remember to remove the title and remove maybe the verse 1 and all of that, just as you can see me do so. Remove the title so the song will not start using the title. Do you understand? Next is to go to the genre of the music. This asking you the style of the music. Is it hip hop, Afrobeat, or Niger dance, whichever one. Remember that ChatGPT also gave it to us. Go back to your ChatGPT and copy it. What we are doing here is copy and paste to get the best results. Now copy all of the generics, and that is if you're okay with it. But if you're not okay, do well to tell ChatGPT to give you another generic for it. Now paste it here and hit this button, create. We are good to go. You give it few minutes, your song will be created. Remember to hit create. Okay, just as you can see. Once you are done, give it few minutes. This may take 2 to 3 minutes or more depending on your network or your location. But if you have a good network, it doesn't actually take time. Remember, these songs are not for commercial purposes, of which Suno AI still has the right to claim their song if you are using it on commercial platforms like AudioMac and all of that. Now let's listen to this music.
Wake up, smile, it's a brand new day. One small step can lead the way. Don't give up. Wake up, smile, it's a brand new day. One small step can lead the way. And don't give up, don't give in. Every day is where you begin.
Keep going, don't stop now, you are stronger.
One thing I like about this Suno AI is that it gives you option to select either the first track, the second one, and all of that. Hit the three buttons by the side to download, or you double click on it to see the download button. Just as you can see, this will download into your file or into your music lab, into your music file rather. So once all of that is done, you are good. Now let me show you how you can use it to create your videos, or how you can use it while editing your video. I'll be using CapCut to show you this. You can also use any other form of, or any other type of app you use for your video editing. Okay, as you can see, it is well saved and it's saved in my file because I'm using iPhone. Now I'll open my file to confirm that this actually downloaded in my file. Just as you can see, this is it right here. Let's play it once more.
Wake up, smile, it's a brand new day.
In order not to waste much of your time, let's go right into the work. Now open up your CapCut, open the video you are editing, go to where you have audio, click on audio, get to sound. When you click sound, go to device, go to your device and do new song. There it will take you to your audio file. Now this took me to my file and I chose that one using the title, just like this. You have been finding difficult to get. So for Head Talks video, remember you don't need your song to allow your voice while talking. So I'll be reducing the volume to the barest minimum, so my audio will be heard, my voice will be heard while my music softens the background, just like this.
Create a master edit.
If you find this video useful, please don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up so more people could see how to generate their own song and use it in their videos. Thank you for watching, as I hope to see you in my next one. Until then, bye my friends. Enjoy the rest of the song.